Hey guys, I'm here trying to cook my lean ground turkey. This is 99% leanness. Yes, my hair is a hot mess. Oh well. I also have some veggies that I did buy pre-made from Safeway. Uh, Again, it's you can buy zucchini and squash and cut them up. Simple, but I wanted something quick. I do cook them in a pan with coconut oil. Yes. And I use Mrs. Dash salt-free. It's my best friend, and so that's why I have it. Big container. Big. I also have the original. This one is the garlic and herb, which I love. And I cook everything with my coconut oil and pretty much everything with this. So that is for today's meal. Lean ground turkey with my salt-free Mrs. Dash. Same with my veggies. If you want to add a little bit of flavor to it, I use the coconut oil, so I don't need any flavoring. Thank you.